The City of Naples, WWTP generator installations and electrical project involved a comprehensive upgrade to critical infrastructure. This included the demolition of 2 existing generators and the installation of 4 600-kilowatt generators, along with duct bank systems for power distribution. The project also encompassed meticulous installation of conduit, wiring, and connections for motors, controllers, and electrical devices. The new elevated generator pad required 200 yards of concrete for construction and features a complete rail and stair system. Additionally, the project involved establishing grounding and surge suppression systems, as well as instrumentation and control wiring. The existing generator room was converted into a second electrical room, which included a new roof and significant electrical upgrades. The project was completed on time and within budget,